Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Ninja Frother is probably one of the most versatile kitchen gadgets you can add to your arsenal, transforming your morning coffee, evening hot chocolate, or even your favorite cocktails with perfectly frothed milk or cream. And while it promises cafe-quality drinks at home, it's important to consider a few key aspects before making this exciting addition to your kitchen counter. Number 5. MuellerLiving Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender. Tired of lumpy smoothies and uneven batter? Our powerful yet slim immersion blender makes mixing, blending, whisking, and frothing quick and easy. It comes with detachable accessories to help you create delicious smoothies, whipped cream, and perfectly beaten eggs. This versatile tool comes with 3 easy-to-use attachments. Use the blending shaft for shakes, soups, and baby food. The frother is perfect for creating creamy foam on any milk, while the whisk attachment helps you whip cream or prepare batter. Experience enhanced power with the turbo mode on this handheld device. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, and the specially designed blade housing minimizes splashes for a cleaner experience. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just attach your desired accessory, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend away. You can easily adjust the speed to achieve your desired consistency. Refer to the included instructions for detailed guidance. Cleanup is a breeze. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother attachments are all dishwasher safe, making maintenance quick and convenient after you're done creating your culinary masterpieces. What we like? This immersion blender offers robust power with its 500W motor and 8-speed turbo setting for quick blending. It comes with 3 essential attachments for various tasks. If you're looking for a versatile tool to handle everything from smoothies to frothing milk and whipping cream, this is a great all-around choice for everyday kitchen needs. What people say? It has been a true workhorse with a strong motor, and it never lets me down. The frother is great for mixing all the powder-based stuff in my coffee or iced drink concoction that is stubborn about dissolving. It works better than I thought. It is wonderfully powerful. Number 4. Powerful Mini Handheld Milk Frother. Introducing our powerful Mini Milk Frother. Its stand-less design means you can create perfect frothy drinks anywhere, anytime, without any extra clutter. This efficient frother quickly whips up creamy foam for your coffee, latte, cappuccino, or matcha. Enjoy barista-quality drinks with ease. Crafted from sturdy stainless steel, this whisk ensures durability and is incredibly easy to clean. It's built to last, all without needing a stand. Looking for a gift for someone who loves coffee and appreciates simplicity? This stand-free milk frother is the ideal present for their streamlined kitchen. Its compact design allows for easy storage in any drawer or cabinet. This makes it a practical and convenient choice for any kitchen setup. What we like? This mini frother is designed for ultimate simplicity and portability, requiring no stand. Its durable stainless steel whisk efficiently creates frothy milk for your favorite beverages. If you appreciate minimalism and want a no-fuss way to enjoy frothed coffee drinks anywhere, this is the perfect compact companion. What people say? This milk frother works really well and creates nice, creamy foam in seconds. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and simple to clean. This milk frother works really well and is more powerful than I expected. It creates rich, creamy foam in just a few seconds, whether I'm using it for coffee, lattes, or hot chocolate. It is indeed battery-powered, but they seem to last a good bit. Hand wash only. Good little tool. Number 3. Ganiza 5-in-1 Immersion Blender. Experience powerful blending with a robust 1000W motor and a durable stainless steel blade assembly. This appliance is built to last, offering reliability for years to come. Achieve perfect results with 16 speed settings, giving you complete control over your blending. A convenient turbo mode is available for an extra power boost when needed. This versatile tool is your all-in-one kitchen companion. It effortlessly blends, whisks, froths, and chops, making meal prep a breeze. Cleaning up is simple with detachable, dishwasher-safe parts. The main unit only requires a quick wipe down. With its sleek design, this blender makes a perfect gift for any cooking enthusiast. It's a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. What we like? Experience powerful blending with its 1000W motor and enjoy total control with 16 speeds plus a turbo mode. This 5-in-1 tool includes a chopper, whisk, and frother for comprehensive meal prep. If you need a high-performance blender that can handle tough ingredients and offers extensive versatility for various culinary tasks, this is an excellent option. What people say. It is incredibly powerful. Much more so than my old immersion blender. As a result, you will have more control over your blending and get better results than less powerful machines. The blender is very well made, feels sturdy and high quality, and has a powerful motor that blends smoothly and efficiently. The Ganiza immersion blender has high power level. The fact that it was all stainless steel and could be easily kept clean, previous plastic ones were difficult, and the design of the blender were impressive. Number 2. Flendy Rechargeable Milk Frother Handheld. Introducing our innovative milk frother. It comes with a unique 2-in-1 charging stand that keeps it hygienic and ready to use. Simply place it in the stand to charge automatically. Enjoy the convenience of USB-C fast charging. A full charge takes only 2.5 hours, giving you enough power to create over 30 cups of delicious milk foam. Experience consistent and powerful performance with its upgraded motor. It creates perfect barista-quality foam in just 15 seconds, without any shakes. Operating this frother is a breeze with its large ergonomic button for speed control. The stainless steel whisk is also easy to clean by simply rinsing it under water. This isn't just for coffee. It's a versatile mixer perfect for matcha, hot chocolate, protein shakes, and even whipped cream. Explore endless possibilities with this handy tool. What we like. This rechargeable frother features an innovative USB-C charging stand for convenient, hygienic storage and charging. It offers fast USB-C charging and an upgraded high-torque motor for reliable performance. If you want a modern, easy-to-use frother that stays charged and ready for barista-quality foam in seconds, this is the one for you. What people say. It holds a charge for an entire week, which is super convenient since we use it every day. The frother is easy to clean and comes with a stand that has a built-in charger, which keeps everything neat and organized. It gets a lot of use, every day, and is holding up very well. I love the charging stand and that it has a home to place it back to keep it safe. Number 1. Ganiza 6-in-1 Immersion Blender. Experience powerful mixing with our upgraded full copper motor, designed for efficiency and exceptional longevity. It's built to last 3 times longer than standard motors, making it perfect for busy households. Achieve creamy milk foam 6 times faster with our patented dual-rod frothing system. The whisk attachment also works 4 times faster for eggs and doubles as a mixer for batters and doughs, all without scratching your bowls. Effortlessly create velvety smooth sauces and soups with its sharp stainless steel blade. The upgraded scratch-resistant guard ensures your pots and pans stay protected, eliminating lumps and scratches. Take full control with 15 adjustable speeds and a turbo boost. Its various attachments allow you to tackle a wide range of recipes, from smoothies to purees, with precision and ease. With a detachable design and hanging loop, storage is simple, especially for smaller kitchens. Most parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup incredibly easy. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: the blender, beaker, chopper, whisk, frother, and masher. It's the perfect all-in-one tool for all your culinary needs and makes a thoughtful gift. Enjoy a comfortable and stable grip thanks to its ergonomic design, reducing hand fatigue. Made from BPA-free materials, it ensures safe operation even with hot foods, providing a healthy cooking experience. What we like. Boasting an impressive 1100 W peak power and a unique dual-rod frothing system, this blender froths milk exceptionally fast. It comes as a comprehensive 6-in-1 set, including a potato masher. If you need maximum power and speed for frothing and a wide array of attachments for diverse cooking tasks, this heavy-duty option is ideal for busy families. What people say. It has massive power to puree or blend everything. I find myself using it so much and the design is so handy, not big and bulky like a blender or food processor. Also not super loud either for what I expected. It is so easy to clean, just rinse off after use. Powerful, easy to use, and simple to clean. The attachments are useful and the quality feels solid. The motor is super powerful, has adjustable speeds for different uses, and is a good size that's comfortable to hold and not heavy, especially since I have smaller hands and not so good grip. I love the different attachments for a variety of uses. You can easily swap them with a click of a button. The functionality is easy to use. There's the power button and also a turbo boost button when you need to pulse. I like that the tools have a coating on the ends so it won't damage my cookware when blending soups and sauces. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just simply rinse or toss the items in the dishwasher. The design is sleek and modern with stainless steel and a hook to hang for easy storage when not in use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.